control the tempo? We will do it each other. Very good. So very good. That'll be a great beat for the violins themselves. But the continuo, played by me, needs a little bit more lead up to the downbeat.
Okay.
So that was a really good beat for coming on the second chord of the bar. Does that make sense?
I see what you mean, yeah.
Yeah. So and sometimes we forget that the four continuo players actually do have it down.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so I'm giving you a full measure. And what? Okay.
All right.
Yeah, I'm sorry to discombobulate, but so starting from here, then the first thing you do is going to be a whole measure, but actually the safest thing to do is to start from neutral position and then just lift. And one. But just remember that I'm on the downbeat.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
But so and one. So it's just a question of your intention, I think.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Let's try it again. But just start from here and then just lift, but give a full beat. So you can do those by giving this a more vigorous click.
Okay.
Right? So after the first one, click in the direction of the altos.
Okay.
One, and the glory, and then click in the direction of everyone. One, and the glory, and then it kind of takes care of itself. It would be really helpful if you gave Jack a big gesture when the tenors come in at the bottom of the page. Measure 22, yeah. The third measure there. Okay, and then the sopranos would also appreciate 1 3 bars later. And then at letter A on the next page when everyone comes to. Okay, so I know you know the music, so just those, if you can add those details of cueing. Okay, all right. Your beat looks good overall. So it's okay to have a bigger rebound, but then so that'll give you more opportunity to fall into the tone. Does that make sense? Okay. I saw measure 11, I saw measure 14, I saw letter A, but I did not see measure 22, and you're not the only one to leave this out. So I'm kind of using you as an example for the rest of the class. But Jack, the tenor section, needs that cue. It's the bottom of page 13.
Yeah.
Okay, it's really important.
Yeah.
Even though it's not that Jack or any tenors can't count the rests, it's that the style changes because now we're doing something else, and there's sort of the main idea at that point. So see if you can incorporate that in amongst your other cues, and have a slightly bigger beat, and then remember to just really snap and give that cueing energy, which you were doing, but just do it even more.
Right.
From measure 1 again.
All right. Sorry. Okay. Just start from the beginning.
What?
I was just looking at.
Do it once more.
Okay.
Yeah. Remember to be a little bigger,
Okay.
but you just have to. The conductor really has to think ahead a couple bars at all times. All right. So when you're doing the hemiola, I'm thinking, okay, the next thing I do is altos. Make sense? And then after I do the altos, then I got 3 bars, and it's everyone. Okay, and then I've got 4 bars plus 4 bars, and then it's sounds. That kind of thing. Okay? Alright, try it one more time. We all need Jackie, Courtney, and so yeah, that's good. So you'll see it on the video. All right, going on to the letter. So after you do the downbeat of F, how many measures until the hemiola starts?
Downbeat of F, 2. What is it?
So, okay, I guess that's correct. Yeah, so downbeat of F, then 2 more measures, and then hemiola. Okay, all right. Yeah, so McKenna just release that piece, and then no one will be confused. I see the problem. You're going the wrong way. The first beat of the hemiola is just down again. There you go. Yeah. she's doing, we can let you in, but I can't really identify it. Alright, but just make sure you get everyone's attention, especially the strings, because if you're talking and rehearsing, the strings are going to be in what position? Right. Right? And so just can you do that again? This is a really good lesson because it means the buttons. So the strings are there, it's our rest position. Okay? Alright, now Carrie, show us how long it takes you to get into playing position. Okay? So just take a couple, like 2 seconds. Alright? So it's not long, but they can't start from here. Okay. Alright, so Carrie's in playing position, and we're ready to go. That's a great cue. Awesome. The first thing you go is down. You're doing it sideways. You did all the other ones fine. Okay, once again. There you go. Okay. Well, on the video, notice your last 2 preparations for F. When you were really like, dang it, here we go. That's the attitude that you should have. Alright? Good job, everyone. Alright.